Alright guys, today we're going to head further away from the busy city of Tokyo and into the picturesque mountains of Japan, where we spend the day at the beautiful 3 waterfalls of Kuroyama. Look at these trees though, holy moly. And this is our parking spot. The fact this thing actually fits in these parking spots is pretty sweet. Look at this car we're next to. Alright, we are at the waterfall. We're not actually at the waterfall, but we're at the parking lot, and we decided we are too hungry to trek the waterfall until we have some lunch. So I'm making some burgers on the grill, and look at this. Not a bad kitchen for the day.
Smash these burgers and head up to the falls. Looks amazing.
Sandwich. That thing looks so good. How's that?
Next level.
Woo! This is a pretty sick spot.
Is that thing good? Oh. Oh. Clearly it's good. Is it good? Wow. Smashing that thing. What? Oh, big bite.
Alright, I'm cracking open this grapefruit juice.
Let's see it, Mom. 100%. Give us a good face. Give us a good face.
Oh my god. It is amazing.
Look. I walked into that spider. Your feet are cold? We can actually go right over here. Right over here on that rocky spot. You think that's strong enough to knock the crust off you?
Maybe.
What do you think?
I can go together in that water.
Hey. Sticky? Okay.
Sorry. That was a little much.
Get her good, right? Look at all the different color rocks.
What is this red one?
Like there's literally blue, red one, blue, like a tan. This red's really cool. You going to the waterfall? Well, here we go. See if we can find this thing. We going surfing at the waterfall? Swells up today.
Yes. I have never seen a vending machine with a full hot meal. What is that? Waterfall.
We love doing waterfalls, don't we?
Yeah.
Might be where they selling food.
Look how much water we just got filled. That's awesome.
It says waterfall this way.
Oh, it does? How do you know?
I can read Japanese. Hi. Yeah, she was surprised how much Japanese we speak. Well, I think we found another beautiful waterfall.
Waterfalls.
That's true.
Tree monster! A big footprint!
Oh my goodness.
There you go. There's the footprint!
Well, reeing up on some water and taking a bath. Mom rinsing her hair in the first time in a week. Old waterfall water bottle bath. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.